Okay, so css.lint.ieHack. So IE hacks are only necessary when supporting IE 7 and older. Let me show you what this looks like. This is an IE hack. So if you set an underscore before the property, this is a hack for IE 6. This is one for IE 7. This is one for IE 8 and below. And obviously this works on all browsers. So how does a hack work? A hack works by you writing invalid CSS that will break on all other browsers because it's invalid and the browser just ignores that rule, but it will work for IE 6, 7, or 8. So, but the thing is, this is invalid CSS. So what I think you should put here, or what I would, error, because it's invalid CSS, and you would have to have a really good justification for supporting IE 7 and older. So yeah, I would go with error.